Thank you for your interest in our Power BI on-demand learning package. This package includes 18 courses that are designed to take you much more in-depth into what you can do with Power BI. Through this Power BI package, you'll learn things like advanced data modeling, advanced data shaping, advanced data visualizations, as well as storytelling with Power BI and DAX. So really, we cover the gambit as far as what kind of topics that you would need to understand to become a Power BI expert. These classes can be purchased either annually as part of our annual subscription or monthly for our monthly subscription. You can choose whether or not you want to cancel at any time, so you can choose when is the appropriate time for you to be done. And you can always go much more in depth and ask questions with our instructors. We have a section where you can ask feedback or provide feedback to return back questions, and our instructors will always answer them. Now, as you may know, Power BI changes very frequently. So as part of our Power BI training, we also update our courses to ensure that you are always looking at the most up-to-date version of the technology, because of course it does change so frequently. So we're excited that you're interested. You can of course sign up for a free trial with us and test it out. But when you're ready, go ahead and purchase below, and that gives you the ability to sign up for a full subscription with us. Thank you so much.